Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic Chinese dish called San Xian, a vibrant stir-fry of eggplant, potato, and bell pepper. Just look at that glossy golden finish. The colors pop and the aroma is irresistible. First, grab one eggplant, wash it and cut it into chunky irregular pieces. Next, wash and peel a potato and cut it into similar-sized chunks. Be careful not to make them too thick. Then take a big chili pepper, wash it and cut it into same chunky style. For aromatics, we will need some chopped green onion and minced garlic. Alright, prep is done. All the ingredient quantities are in the description box, so check there if you need the specifics. Let's start cooking. Before frying, lightly spray the eggplant with some water. Then dust each piece with a thin layer of cornstarch. This will help prevent the eggplant from soaking up too much oil. You don't need it thick, just a light coating on each piece is perfect. Heat the oil in the wok to about 50% hot. Add the potatoes first. Don't stir immediately. Let them sit for a bit so they cook evenly. When they float and the edges start turning golden, scoop them out and drain the oil. Next, fry the eggplant. Make sure the oil is really hot. Taste with one piece first. If it sizzles and flips instantly, it's ready. Fry all the eggplant over high heat until they start to set. Then gently stir to cook evenly. Once the eggplant has a nice golden color, return the potatoes to the wok. Give it a quick stir. Then toss in the chili peppers for a brief stir. Drain all three and set aside. Now leave a bit of oil in the wok and sauté the green onions and half of the garlic until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 10 grams oyster sauce, 150 milliliters water, and 0.5 tablespoons dark soy sauce for color. Season with 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons MSG, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Gradually add water starch slurry until the sauce is slightly thick and glossy. Then toss all your fried vegetables back into the wok, along with the remaining garlic. Give it a big, even stir over high heat, and it's ready to serve. Wow, this is perfect with rice. Let me try a bite. Just scoop some onto your rice and mix it in. Wow, so flavorful. Here's a tip. Make sure your oil is hot enough when frying, or it won't taste right. And seriously, make extra rice. You are going to need it. Try this at home. It's absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.